Hi guys, this is where I stay when I'm in school. So I'm going to be showing you the inside of my house. And guys, I have not been here for the longest time since COVID started. I don't even remember the state I left that house at, but I'm still going to show you guys. And I took some of my things at home because I'm almost completing school, but I'll still give you a tour. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and as I had promised, I am going to give you a house tour of where I stay. So come with me guys, let's do this. Come guys, come. So this is where I stay, that house where the middle one. This is guys, the first thing when you enter from the door, you get to see is my kitchen. That is my kitchen, and it's the first place you see when you enter the door. Now, I put that curtain there because there are no roads there, so I usually just put it there to prevent too much light. You can see the kitchen here. I'll just move you closer. I have my utensils there, my gas cooker there, and then this is where I put my gas down there, and then you can see here I have my two sufurias and these other things down there. Up there I have cabinets. I have not stocked them because I have not been here obviously. And then I have this area. I have my water dispenser there that I put my drinking water, and then this smoothie cup and my bottle and a kettle there for warming water. And then I have my mini fridge there in the kitchen area, as you can see. So guys, that is my kitchen area. I'll just show you like that. After that, I'll come to my next area, which is my study area. At my study area, I usually have this seat that I put here, but I usually bring it here when I'm about to study. So I usually bring it here, and then I have my music system that I play when I feel bored. So that there is my study area. Then there is this part of my house that is super empty. I'm planning on putting something there that will feel like a seat, that will fill that place. And I love my carpet because it's big and I use it as my sitting area. So I want to find something to put there. Then I have my bed, guys. So guys, don't mind my bed. That is the only place I use as a chair in my house, apart from the study area seat, which is not always so comfortable. Now, these houses, we are given curtains, as you can see, and it only has one window here. So guys, don't really mind my bed. And then I have those butterfly details on the wall that I love. They glow at night. So in the morning, I like to come here and just watch people from outside. And the view is usually breathtaking, guys. Can you see? Yeah, then I have my closet here. Then this house has a big closet and storage. So up there, I have a bag. I just put bags there, the small bags, as you can see down there, there are other bags, and my iron box there. Then down here, I put my small purses. I have my wipes there, and these other things, my sanitaries, my hairspray, girls stuff and the rest. And then on the lower part here, I put some shoes, which you can see them. Then on this first cabinet, I put small bags there. Then I have my sleeping attire on this cabinet here. I put my sleeping attire. Then here I have my jeans and trousers there, and then more shoes down there. Then I have my mirror that I love so much. As you can see, it's big enough. Usually when I draw the curtain, you can see it well. Let me just draw it. Yeah, I love it. Then on the drawer, I have at the top there, I have my belt, a sweater, some coats, some trench coats there, some clothes here, as you can see. And then we have these two cabinets that I use to put my inner garments down there, here. Then up here, I don't know what I have. I usually put my suitcase up there, but I removed it because I want to pack some things. From there, I have my bathroom. That is my bathroom. What? Yeah, that has been written that. Okay. Then from there, guys, that place, I have my bathroom. There, my bathroom slippers, my bathroom mat. Then when you open the bathroom, you see my towel there. I have my showering pad, and then here I have a sink. There's another mirror there. Then there I just have my soaps and whatever's, a laundry basket there. So that is just that side of the bathroom. And then I have my soap dish and this stone for scrubbing my legs. Then on this other side, I have my shower cape that I love so much, my bathing towel, and then there's the shower there. I love it, I love it, I love it. And then we have the lightings. Then we come down like this. We have the toiletries. I have that place that I put my toothbrushes and the rest. I have, and then that pump and that thing for draining water, and the tissue holder there. So that is it. That is my bathroom area. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Kindly leave your comments, share this video, subscribe if you have not. Let us get to 1,000. And until next time, guys, peace.